My name is Li Zhaoqian, and 6 years ago I became the mayor of the Rizhao city, and which is a small city in China, along the east coast of China. And water on top of the roof of the building is the solar water heaters, which was popularized in Rizhao city about 10 years ago. And now you can see that in about 99% of the buildings in the urban center, and about 13% in the rural areas. And on the back of you will see the solar water heater panels installed on the roof of the hotel, which provide hot water for the guests of the hotel and also for the staffs of the hotel. In the winter of the city, and these solar water heaters is not sufficient to provide hot water to the whole hotel. So we combine this with electrical water heaters. And in the very cold days or in the cloud days, they use the electrical water heater. And during the sunny days or in the summertime and in autumn and spring, they use these solar water heaters.
Here's a solar heater. We've been using this for almost 3 years, through spring, summer, and autumn. It has been very helpful for our having showers and also washing using warm water for the kitchen. And here's the electric heater, so when it's really overcast and in spring and autumn, we can use the heater as a backup. It's been really good and helpful.